Hello everyone. So today I'm back in the Peak District, and where else would I be but I'm going up Kinder Scout, and I'm this time going up Red Brook. Not done it before, so that's the wonderful thing about Kinder Scout. There's so many different routes up it that yeah, just so much to explore. So today doing something I've not done before but reasonably local to me as well. So it's a great morning, you know, there's just a little bit of mist on the hills to start the day, and that's just clearing now, and the sun's just trying to poke through as well, so hopefully it's going to be a nice day walking. So join me on this video today. So you can just see Kinder Scout just in the mist there. It's a really great view just as you come around that corner to see it. Yeah, good to be back. So I'm just following the River Kinder now, which comes down from Kinder Downfall. So just going to follow this round and then up Red Brook. So I'm now at the top of Kinder Scout. That's a really great route up Red Brook, a little bit more exciting than the usual, and just a good little short pitches of scrambling to do. So just heading round to Kinder Downfall now, and then back down William Clough. So just behind me you can see the gully that Red Brook runs through that I've just scrambled up and come round. So past Kinder Downfall now, not too much further to go to William Clough, and then just back down to Kinder Reservoir and onto the car park. an amazing hike and it was great to be back in the Peak District after so long. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.